Are you tired of that constant ringing in your ears? You are not alone, and you deserve a solution that actually works. Many people struggling with tinnitus feel frustrated and helpless. They try everything from home remedies to over-the-counter options, only to find little relief. The truth is, these DIY fixes often miss the mark and can leave you feeling more hopeless than before. Enter Tinnitrol, a unique supplement designed specifically for those dealing with tinnitus. It combines carefully selected natural ingredients that target the root causes of the ringing. Unlike other products, Tinnitrol focuses on supporting your auditory health, giving you a chance to reclaim your peace and quiet. Clinical studies have shown that Tinnitrol's key ingredients can help improve auditory function and promote overall ear health. Users have reported noticeable improvements